We're going to find out whether BOS stabiliser legs are any good. There's the original stabiliser legs, and that's all they do, they just stabilise your van. These are the new ones, the BOS legs. It's got a load rating of 1.8 tonne, 1800 kilos. All right, let's open up these boxes. We've got the 500s with 100mm extenders because we go on a lot of uneven ground. We'll see if we've got all the bits that we need. A couple of feet, a couple of stubby holders, a manual, an attachment for the drill, and if I can get them out, 2 legs. So let's have a look at them. I'm going against my DNA.
No, that's a first. A man reading instructions.
All right. Well, there it is, out of the box. Just got to put it all together. Won't take 2 minutes.
I did check about those legs.
They're better than my looking legs. All right, first thing, the push handle goes on there, and according to the instructions, that pushes in. There, like that. So that was my finger. Nice and easy. That bit's done. All right, we'll put its shoes on.
Shoes.
Shoes, feet, whatever.
You've been hanging out with these.
Yep, have been. And that's as simple as that. It's just a split pin and they're on. And they flop around like that. Okay, that's what it looks like assembled. And on the back, a grease nipple. Don't forget it's there.
Putting on all 4 legs, bit of a sped up version.
And it comes with a manual, even though I'll be using my rattle gun. All right, now just give them a test. This is the manual winder. I think I'm going to end up using the rattle gun because this is very slow. Yeah, definitely use rattle gun. There's the original stabiliser legs, and that's all they do, they just stabilise your van. So they're going in the bin.
No, they're not.
Well, these are the new ones, the BOS legs. You can't see it down there, but written on there, it's got a load rating of 1.8 tonne, 1800 kilos. So this thing will jack the van off the ground to get it nice and level. And even if you want to change your tyres, it'll lift it off the ground so you can change your tyres.
And we're also looking at better for levelling because we're off-grid a lot, aren't we?
Yeah, and very uneven ground. So these things, with a 100mm extension that we got, that'll lift the thing up to about 250mm.
So you find it's going to be better off-grid?
100% better, a lot quicker and a lot more accurate.
And do just the van jack.
Get rid of the van jack and the blocks of timber and the tread levelers and all that stuff that I'm sick and tired of. I'm over it.
Complainer. And while Steve does the hard labour, I'll give you the techie facts. We've only added a net gain of 7.2 kilos, changing over from the old stabiliser legs to the new ones.
Yeah, they do go very slow. Oh, that's why. Installed and wound down. One at the front, and then we just walk along here. One at the back. And they're black and red, they match the van. And there's 2 more on the other side, already done. We also got a set of extenders, 100mm extenders for each leg for those really uneven sites, so it just gives us a bit more lift. Plate's job done, chuck the ones in the shed, and I'm a much happier camper now. This will be a lot easier. All right, that's how easy it is to install these things, and the next step is we get to test them on our next trip. So make sure you look out for our next video after this one.
And thanks for watching. See you next time.